Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Lifelong Learning Coach. Today you'll learn how to make a resume using LibreOffice Writer. So let's begin. So first is you're going to click File, then click New, then go to Templates. Okay, then under Templates, you click here, Resume. Double click, voila, you have your resume. So you can type your name here. Then your address, you're going to type your address, type your contact number, your email, then your webpage URL, then your education, then your experience, then below your skills. So that's it guys, that is how to make a resume using our LibreOffice Writer. So I hope you learn how to make a resume, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, and please uh, ring the bell so that you can watch for our new videos. And always remember, learning is lifetime. God bless you always. Goodbye.